Well, let's now get you an update which is coming in on the gas leak which was reported from Venkatpuram village in Visakhapatnam. As per the latest update, 6 people are reportedly dead, which includes 4 at King George Hospital and 2 in a village nearby. Evacuation process is almost complete. NDRF, police and revenue officials have in fact gone ahead and checked every single home inside the villages for those who were stranded. And as per the latest inputs which are coming in from the spot, the Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy is also expected to visit the location this afternoon. In fact, earlier when this leakage was reported at around 3 a.m., 20 villages around the factory, which is 4 to 5 kilometers, the smell can be sensed of the gas. Around 250 people were rushed to the hospital and several hundreds were feared trapped in homes around the polymer factory that reported this deadly gas leak. NDRF team was immediately pressed into service. Police and revenue officials, everyone got involved in the rescue operations, and at the moment we are given to believe that evacuation process is almost complete, but a thorough investigation will have to be conducted on the reasons behind this gas leak from the LG Polymers factory in Visakhapatnam. It's a chemical leak is what we are given to believe, and 4 to 5 kilometers around that factory the smell of the gas was there to be picked up, and it seems to have affected about 250 people. Let's go across to my colleague Paul Uman, who's joining us live now on the broadcast. Paul, I mean, this is a horror story really. First thing to report early this morning, but what is the situation on ground? Do we know any idea how did this gas leak really happen?
Well, that's still something that the officials are looking into at the moment. In fact, evacuation process has been completed. It was around 3 a.m. that officials actually got to know that there was a gas leak at LG Polymers factory, which is at Gopalpuram, RR Venkatapuram, which is in the outskirts of Visakhapatnam, and immediately they rushed to the spot. The first important priority was to let people know that there was a gas leak, and after they were informed, it took them a lot of time because a lot of them were sleeping inside their houses. They did not imagine that it could actually have such disastrous effects. And finally, when they got to know, they were seeing a lot of people were actually fainting. They were reporting about vomiting, feeling nauseous. A lot of them were rushed to the hospital. 250 plus people were rushed to the hospital. At present, we can say around 1,000 people are there at the KGH hospital, and the death toll at the moment is 6, 4 at the King George hospital, and 2 have died in the village which is nearby. Around 20 villages are there in the surrounding areas of this LG polymer factory, and the chemical that is leaked is believed to be styrene. And in these 20 villages, it took them a couple of hours for them to actually go and evacuate them from their houses. And finally, now we can confirm to you that the evacuation process is complete. I happened to speak to the joint collector, who said they went to each and every house in the village and they announced asking people to respond. Even they made it very difficult because a lot of people had fainted. They were not responding to the calls, and even in the visuals you can see how people are actually fainting even while walking. An eyewitness happened to recount what exactly happened. He's saying It was foggy, it was misty all around. They didn't know what to do because even if they ran out of their houses, there was fog. Even a kilometer away it was there, and almost up to 3 to 4 kilometers we are hearing that this particular smell, the aroma of this chemical could be felt. And finally, they have all been rushed to the hospital. CM Jagan Mohan Reddy will be visiting the spot, is the latest that we're picking up from our sources. And also district officials, the collector, commissioner of Visakhapatnam, all of them there at the location, trying to do their best to find out what exactly led to this catastrophe, if I can call that.
Paul, we will come back to you when more developments come in from the spot. Of course, the reason behind the gas leak will have to be determined, and the Chief Minister's visit to the location is also something that we'll keep a close watch on. For the moment, thanks very much for getting us those inputs on the story.